No one ever tells you of the etiquette or the hidden rules of streaming. I'm gonna tell you my top 5 don'ts, which my number 1, I really need to get a handle on. Now, if you've watched my previous top 5, you know that I said that networking is something to do. However, there's different ways of going about it. The don't here at number 5 is don't immediately go into someone's stream and say, hey, you should check out my stream. It's very disingenuous. It's just farming for follows. It's not the way that I want you to network. When I say network, I mean actually get to know these people, be genuine with the people that you are networking with. Don't just farm for follows or views or whatever it is, because it's not going to be genuine on your side. And if anyone does come over, they're not going to be a genuine viewer either, because they know nothing about you. Get to know the people first. Don't bring down the chat's mood if you don't know how the streamer feels about it. I would say 90%, if not more, of streamers like to keep a completely 100% positive stream, positive energy the entire stream. There are some, however, that will allow you to vent or have a safe space or whatever it may be, but make sure you know that that streamer is that type of streamer first. Going into someone's stream who wants positive vibes only and telling them something negative about your day or your life or whatever it may be can really affect their mood and thereby affect their stream in ways that you didn't know you could actually do. So just try not to be that person unless you know that the streamer is okay with it. And of course, with this being StreamClass, let your community know. Either put it in your rules, positive, good vibes, etc., or say, you know, hey, this is a safe space where you can talk about anything. Let them know, make it easy on your community. Oh, sorry, don't grab your phone constantly while you're streaming. I know there's always gonna be those notifications that you wanna see. I just need to check this last one. Okay. There's always going to be those notifications that you want to see, but don't. Unless it's something actually super important, or it's something that's actually integrated into your stream as a reason that you're grabbing your phone, try not to grab your phone. Try to have it out of sight, out of mind. When the moment you grab your phone, it takes all of your attention. You're no longer talking to your stream. You're no longer looking at your chat, and your chat is going to get not only bored, but feel that they're not important. Let them know they are important. Thank you for watching by being active to your stream. Do not let trolls get off easy. And what I mean by that is you're gonna eventually have someone come into your chat that's just there to cause chaos. Depending on the level of chaos that they do, some people may just say, hey, don't do that. Some may time out, some may ban. Keep in mind, you want to make sure that you do something. Don't just let it go by, because that then festers and lets your community know that, oh, well, if this person's doing it, so can I. Either, you know, say something about it or time out the person or ban the person. Let it be known so that you can let your community know what type of chat experience you expect for them to maintain. And then also just making sure that they are kept safe within their chat experience in your stream. And the last don't that I think a lot of people need to know about: don't spend all your money on streaming. And what I mean by that is you'll see a lot of different streamer tools or different cameras, microphones, all of these things that are going to be really, really cool and they look really, really nice, you don't need that to start off streaming. Again, I'll post the clip here of one of my early streams and I'll go over the equipment that I have. Is that him singing? You have a beautiful voice, sir. Wait. Oh. I have a $5 piece of green cloth, a $25 microphone, a computer that I already had purchased and is just now using as a double computer. The webcam was attached to that computer, and a capture card because I did need a capture card. So that was $150. I just wanted to make sure that I had a good investment there. But think about it, that's my only real investment. I spent like $200 specifically on stream. There's times now you can spend $200 on just one camera, just one microphone. There's so much that you can spend money on. Do not do it just because you're thinking that it's going to make your stream better. And what I mean by that is, don't do it for, oh, well, when I have this microphone, more people are gonna stay, they're gonna get more views. Don't do it for that reason. Please do not do it for that reason. If you are buying something, make sure that it is going to make your experience with the stream better. For instance, this microphone. I had a microphone. This microphone I bought because it came with the Elgato Wavelink. If you've watched the audio video, if not, you can click up at the top there to watch that video. Wavelink is basically a way of separating different audio channels. It's something that is a little more complicated that I do hope to eventually go over with you guys here on StreamClass, but it's something that not everyone needs. It's something that when I started streaming, I definitely wouldn't have needed. However, now the more things that I have integrated into my stream, I have different commands, different interactions, all types of different things that happen to where I do need something to be able to separate my audio. And so I did go ahead and pick up the microphone. Make sure it is for you, not for building a community. I really, really hope that makes sense. If you have any questions on anything I went over in this video, definitely leave a comment down below. Also leave a comment with what you would like to see on StreamClass. And until next time, have a happy, healthy stream.